We all have dreams, visions of a brighter, more fulfilling life. But sometimes, our own negative thoughts hold us back. They whisper doubts and fears, making us question our abilities. What if there was a way to silence those doubts and replace them with positive, empowering beliefs? This is where the power of robotic affirmations comes in. Imagine a gentle, encouraging voice repeating positive statements throughout your day. A voice that reminds you of your strength, your potential, and your worthiness of happiness. This is the essence of robotic affirmations, using the repetition of affirmations to reprogram your subconscious mind and unlock your true potential. This has the same effect that repeating a thought in your head would. Robotic affirmations are not about denying the challenges we face in life. They are about changing our perspective, shifting our focus from limitations to possibilities regardless of what our current reality is showing us. It's about choosing to believe in ourselves and our manifestations, even when the going gets tough. Today, we will explore the transformative power of robotic affirmations and guide you on how to integrate them into your life. Okay, so let's begin. Robotic affirmations are simply positive statements that relate to what you want to manifest. These statements or affirmations should be worded in present tense, for example. I own a beautiful Rolls-Royce, not I will own a beautiful Rolls-Royce. The affirmation should suggest you already have your desire. Even when you see no sign of your desire manifesting, you must continue repeating your affirmation with faith and belief. Robotic affirmations are carefully crafted phrases designed to challenge and overcome negative thoughts and rewire the subconscious mind. These affirmations are based on the premise that our thoughts shape our reality. By repeatedly exposing ourselves to affirmations that relate to us having our desires, we can reprogram our subconscious mind to believe we actually have these things in our lives. Robotic affirmations act as seeds of positivity, gradually replacing those negative beliefs we once had. When we hear positive statements day in and day out, we begin to believe what we are telling ourselves, and it becomes easier to accept and internalize those repeated affirmations. These act as thoughts that we have on loop in our minds every single day. This is crucial because it allows the affirmations to bypass our conscious mind's resistance and penetrate deep into our subconscious, where true transformation begins. The effectiveness of robotic affirmations lies in the science of neuroplasticity. This incredible ability of our brains allows us to rewire our neural pathways and create new patterns of thinking and behavior. Every time we repeat an affirmation, we strengthen the neural connections associated with that thought. Over time, these new pathways become stronger, making it easier to believe in the affirmed message. Imagine walking through a forest and repeatedly taking the same path. Eventually, that path becomes clear and well-defined, making it the easiest and most natural route to follow. This is similar to how affirmations work in our brains. They create clear, well-trodden paths of positivity, making it easier for us to navigate life's challenges with confidence and resilience. Moreover, robotic affirmations stimulate the release of endorphins, our body's natural feel-good chemicals. Endorphins have a profound impact on our mood, reducing stress and boosting our sense of well-being. By consistently using robotic affirmations, we create a positive feedback loop in our brains, replacing negativity with feelings of joy, hope, and empowerment. The benefits of incorporating robotic affirmations into your daily routine are plentiful. One of the most significant benefits is reduced stress and anxiety. The constant focus on our desired reality will shift our attention away from worries and fears, calming our minds and promoting relaxation. This, in turn, improves our sleep, boosts our energy levels, and enhances our overall well-being. Robotic affirmations also have a remarkable impact on our self-esteem and confidence. By constantly reminding ourselves of our desires, strengths, and abilities, we begin to internalize those beliefs. We start to see ourselves as capable, worthy individuals who are deserving of our manifestations. This newfound confidence then spills over into other areas of our lives, empowering us to pursue our goals with greater conviction and determination. Furthermore, robotic affirmations can help us break free from limiting beliefs that have held us back for too long. Now let's discuss crafting your affirmations. Creating effective robotic affirmations is a personal journey. It's about identifying the specific areas in your life where you desire growth, change, or improvement. Start by reflecting on your goals, dreams, and aspirations. What positive qualities or beliefs would empower you to achieve these goals? Once you have a clear understanding of your desired outcomes, you can begin crafting affirmations that resonate deeply with you. Here are some tips to keep in mind. Always phrase your affirmations in the present tense, as if they are already true. For example, instead of saying, "I will be confident," say, "I am confident." This subtle shift in language tricks your subconscious mind into accepting the affirmation as a current reality, accelerating the manifestation process. Keep your affirmations short, specific, and easy to remember. Avoid using negative words like don't or can't. Focus on what you want to attract into your life, not what you want to avoid. For instance, instead of saying, "I don't want to be afraid anymore," say, "I am brave and courageous." Remember, your subconscious mind responds best to clear, positive instructions. The key to unlocking the transformative power of robotic affirmations lies in repetition. Just like a single drop of water cannot erode a rock, a single affirmation may not have an immediate, noticeable impact. However, consistent repetition is the driving force behind lasting change. Think of it like planting a seed. You wouldn't expect a seed to sprout into a beautiful flower overnight. It takes time, consistent watering, and nurturing for the seed to germinate, grow roots, and eventually blossom. Similarly, affirmations require patience, persistence, and a belief in the process. The more you repeat your affirmations, the deeper they penetrate your subconscious mind, gradually replacing limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Aim to do your robotic affirmations multiple times a day, especially during moments when your mind is most receptive, such as first thing in the morning, before bed, during meditation or hypnosis. You can also incorporate affirmations into your daily routine by repeating them while driving, exercising, or doing household chores. The more you integrate affirmations into your day, the more natural and effortless it will become to focus on positive thoughts and beliefs. Consistency is paramount when it comes to experiencing the full benefits of robotic affirmations. Just like a gardener who tends to their plants regularly, you must nurture your mind with affirmations consistently to witness the fruits of your labor. Life can get busy, and it's easy to forget about our affirmations or let other priorities take precedence. However, it's crucial to remember that even a few minutes each day can make a world of difference. Consider setting reminders on your phone or incorporating affirmations into existing habits. For example, you can say your affirmations while brushing your teeth, making breakfast, or commuting to work. The key is to make affirmations a non-negotiable part of your daily routine, just like eating or sleeping. Moreover, be patient with yourself and the process. Change takes time, and it's essential to avoid getting discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Trust that with each repetition, you are planting seeds of positivity that will eventually blossom into a more fulfilling and abundant life. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Countless individuals have experienced profound transformations in their lives through the power of robotic affirmations. From overcoming self-doubt and achieving career goals to improving relationships and boosting overall well-being, the stories are as diverse as the people who share them. One inspiring example is Sarah, a young woman who struggled with social anxiety for years. She avoided social gatherings, felt terrified of public speaking, and constantly doubted her worthiness of love and connection. Determined to overcome her anxiety, Sarah started using robotic affirmations daily, repeating phrases like, "I am confident and capable," "I am worthy of love and belonging," and "I attract positive relationships into my life." At first, Sarah found it challenging to believe the affirmations. However, she persisted, trusting in the process. Gradually, she noticed subtle shifts in her thoughts and behavior. She felt more at ease in social situations. Her fear of public speaking diminished, and she started attracting more positive relationships into her life. Sarah's story is a testament to the transformative power of robotic affirmations and the importance of believing in our ability to create positive change. It reminds us that no matter how deeply ingrained our limiting beliefs may be, with consistent effort and a willingness to embrace new possibilities, we can overcome any obstacle and create the life we desire. Embarking on the journey of self-transformation through robotic affirmations is an act of self-love and empowerment. It's about recognizing your inherent worthiness of happiness, success, and fulfillment. It's about choosing to believe in yourself and your dreams, even when faced with challenges or setbacks. Remember, this is not a race, but a journey. There will be days when you feel inspired and motivated, and there will be days when you question the process or feel tempted to give up. It's during these challenging moments that it's crucial to remember your why, the reason you started this journey in the first place. Reconnect with your goals, visualize your desired outcomes, and remind yourself that you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Surround yourself with supportive individuals who believe in your dreams and encourage your growth. Celebrate your progress along the way, no matter how small it may seem. Every step forward is a victory worth acknowledging. Embrace the journey, knowing that you are constantly evolving, growing, and becoming the best version of yourself. The power to create a fulfilling and abundant life lies within each of us. Robotic affirmations are simply tools that help us tap into that power, reprogram our subconscious minds, and unlock our true potential. By consistently using affirmations, we can overcome self-doubt, break free from limiting beliefs, and attract the life we desire. Remember, you are worthy of love, happiness, and success. Believe in yourself, trust in the process, and never give up on your dreams. The journey may not always be easy, but the rewards are immeasurable. Embrace the power of robotic affirmations and watch as your life transforms in miraculous ways. You have the power to create a brighter future, one affirmation at a time. Now go out there and start thinking about what you desire to have in your life.